What's up guys, in this video you are going to learn how to view your YouTube subscribers on a phone. Alright, so you probably have the YouTube app installed on your smartphone, but if you're a YouTube creator and you want to manage your YouTube channel, there is a much better app to do this outside of the YouTube app. It's called YouTube Studio or YT Studio. Now, in this app, you can view very quickly your YouTube subscribers. So let me open the app really quickly right here for you. So right here from the dashboard, I can see right at the top of the screen, my YouTube subscribers. And I can see some other analytics right there. I can scroll down, I can see recent comments. And if I want, I can click the three lines and see different types of information. I can look at my videos, I can look at my playlist comments, I can look at my analytics. This is where I can check my real-time views, I can check my watch time, my overall views, revenue, and subscriber growth. So right here I can see how many subscribers I've gotten the last 28 days. I could do last 7 days. I could do last 365 days. Or if I wanted to, I could do all time. So right here in the YouTube Studio app, you can view your subscribers. You can view all your YouTube channel analytics. So I definitely recommend checking out this app. It's available for Android and iTunes. I'll throw a link right below this video that'll take you to the app, and you just sign in with your Google YouTube account and it'll link right up to your channel, and you can check out all your channel analytics, comments, and all that stuff. Alright guys, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe, check out some of our other awesome videos, and we'll see you next time.